Hey, this is Wendy with Loaves and Dishes, and today we are going to be doing bacon in the toaster oven, or toaster oven bacon. It's delicious and crispy and oh so fun on a Monday morning. Here you go. I want you to use, if you've never done this before, use center cut, regular thickness bacon. Now this will work if you have any other type of bacon, but if you want really great results, that's a way to get good results the very first time. You want to line your little toaster oven baking pan with some aluminum foil to make cleanup easier. If you don't have any, that's okay. You'll just have to scrub your pan. I like to put the little rack in mine. I think it helps make the bacon more crispy, but this recipe will work if you just put the bacon directly on a pan. And if you don't have a little pan and all you have is a rack, just make a little pan out of a piece of aluminum foil. That's all you got to do. So I'm going to do 4 pieces. You could do more. You just want to spread them out evenly so that the heat circulates well. On this little pan, I could probably get as many as 6 and still have adequate heat circulating around them. So, but I'm doing 4. Here's my raggedy old toaster oven. I'm going to put it on 400 degrees for 9 minutes. I go ahead and put the bacon in there while it's preheating, just because it adds a little bit of crispiness to my bacon and I like that. So actually it's going to cook a little longer than 9 minutes, but 9 minutes will make a good crispy bacon too. Look at that bacon. Isn't that beautiful? Anyway, I forgot to turn the camera on when I got it out of the oven. So that's the results. They were on the pan. I'm picking them up with the tongs so that you can see that they are adequately crispy. A couple are more crispy than others. That one's the crispiest. See? They're delicious. This is a great way to make bacon in the toaster oven. 9 minutes at 400 degrees for a regular thickness piece of bacon. Use center cut if you've never done it before. Talk to you soon.